What if I told you there is a study destination where world-class education, affordable tuition, and global career opportunities all come together in one place? And here's the surprising truth. Most students completely overlook it. They think studying abroad automatically means the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, or Australia. But there is one country quietly becoming one of the fastest-growing education hubs in the world. Malaysia. And today, I want to show you something most students never discover in time. The top 5 universities in Malaysia for international students. But this is not just a ranking video. This is a strategy guide. A deep breakdown of how international students are building global careers from Malaysian universities without drowning in debt. And by the end of this video, you won't just know where to study. You will understand why Malaysia is becoming one of the smartest education choices in 2026. Now, let's start with a story. Meet Jason. Jason is a 22-year-old student from Los Angeles. He always dreamed of studying abroad, but every time he looked at tuition fees in the US or UK, he felt stuck. $40,000 per year. $50,000. Sometimes more. And that didn't even include living costs. So he started looking for alternatives. But most options felt either too expensive or too unfamiliar. Until one day, he came across Malaysia. At first, he ignored it. He thought, is this even a serious study destination? But then he dug deeper. And what he found changed his entire perspective. Because Malaysia wasn't just affordable. It was globally connected, academically strong, and incredibly diverse. And today, I'm going to walk you through exactly what Jason discovered. Starting with number 5. Taylor's University. One of Malaysia's most well-known private universities. And here's the surprising truth. Taylor's University is consistently ranked among the top private universities in Southeast Asia. Jason was shocked when he saw its international rankings. Because it looked nothing like what he expected from a budget-friendly destination. Taylor's is especially strong in hospitality, business, and communications. And here's the insight. It has strong industry connections with global companies. Which means students don't just study theory. They gain real-world experience. Jason noticed something important here. Employability matters as much as academics. Now let's move to number 4. Sunway University. And here's where things get interesting. Sunway University is part of a larger education ecosystem linked with international partners, including collaborations with UK institutions. Jason realized something powerful. Malaysia is not isolated. It is globally integrated. Sunway is known for business, science, and hospitality programs. And here's the key point. It offers a multicultural environment with students from over 90 countries. Jason started imagining himself there, studying alongside students from around the world. Now, let's move to number 3. Universiti Teknologi Malaysia, UTM. This is one of Malaysia's top public universities. And here's the surprising truth. UTM is highly respected in engineering, architecture, and technology fields. Jason wasn't an engineering student, but he was curious. Because reputation matters. And UTM has strong research output and academic credibility. Here's what most students don't realize. Public universities in Malaysia often offer extremely low tuition compared to Western countries, but still maintain strong academic standards. Now, let's move to number 2. Universiti Kebangsaan Malaysia, UKM, also known as the National University of Malaysia. And here's where things become even more interesting. UKM is one of the most prestigious research universities in the country. Jason discovered that it is heavily focused on science, medicine, and social sciences. But here's the key insight. It is also deeply involved in international research collaborations, which means students are exposed to global academic networks. Jason realized something important. A degree is not just about the classroom. It is about the network you build. Now let's move to number 1. University of Malaya, Aman. The oldest and highest-ranked university in Malaysia. And here's the truth. This is Malaysia's flagship institution. Consistently ranked among the top universities in Asia, Jason was surprised by its global reputation. Because it competes with universities, far more expensive in other countries. Is strong in medicine, law, engineering, and social sciences. And here's the key insight. It attracts students and researchers from all over the world. Now let's pause for a moment. Because here's what most students misunderstand about studying in Malaysia. They think affordability means lower quality. But that is not true. Malaysia has built a dual education system. Affordable tuition, but internationally recognized degrees. Jason realized this early. And it changed his decision completely. Now let's talk about admission requirements. Most Malaysian universities require academic transcripts, English proficiency tests like IELTS or TOEFL, a valid passport, and sometimes program-specific requirements. But here's the good news. Requirements are generally more flexible compared to Western countries. Now let's talk about tuition costs. This is where Malaysia stands out. On average, international students pay significantly lower tuition fees compared to the US, UK, or Australia. And living costs are also much more affordable. Jason calculated his total yearly expenses and realized he could complete his degree for less than half the cost of studying in the West. Now let's talk about student life. Malaysia is multicultural, with Malay, Chinese, Indian, and international communities living together. English is widely spoken in universities, which makes adaptation easier for international students. Jason felt at home quickly. Now, let's talk about career opportunities. This is where things get interesting. Malaysia is a growing economy with strong industries in technology, finance, tourism, engineering, and business services. Many students also use Malaysia as a stepping stone for further studies or careers abroad. Now let's talk about scholarships. Many Malaysian universities offer partial scholarships and financial aid for international students, based on academic performance and merit. Jason applied for one and received partial support, which reduced his financial burden even more. Now let's talk about common mistakes students make. Choosing a university based only on rankings. Ignoring program fit, not researching living costs, and applying too late. Jason avoided these mistakes by planning early. Now let's bring everything together. The top 5 universities in Malaysia are not just institutions. They are opportunities. Taylor's University for industry-focused education. Sunway University for international partnerships. UDM for engineering and technical excellence. UKM for research and academic strength. And University of Malaya for top-tier global recognition. And Jason? He got accepted. Not because he had perfect grades, but because he understood how to choose strategically. He aligned his goals with the right university. And that made all the difference. And here's the truth. Jason is not special. He simply made an informed decision. So now the question is, will you do the same? If this guide helped you understand why Malaysia is becoming a top study destination, make sure you subscribe for more international education guides. Because your future university experience might already be closer than you think. And what you decide next could change everything.